Have you ever spent 3 hours planning a simple 5-minute task? So listen closely. You are not overthinking. You are simply afraid of taking action. Your mind is a broken tape recorder, replaying the same mistakes over and over to prevent you from moving forward. You call it analysis. We call it controlled fear. You believe thinking will solve the problem, but how many decisions have you actually made today? Overthinking is the biggest thief of your energy. When you overanalyze the smallest decisions, you train your brain to believe that work is difficult. And here is the real damage, the paralysis of perfection. You think you're building the perfect plan, but you are just looking for an excuse not to start. You have already surrendered before the battle begins. But you can break this loop. All you need is the silence cure. Rule 1, interrupt the loop. The second you catch yourself spiraling, immediately shout "stop" out loud and stand up. Rule 2, the 3-second rule. When you face any minor decision, writing an email, picking up the phone, reading a chapter, count to 3 and immediately act. Do not give your mind time to question it. Rule 3, choose action over analysis. Designate 1 hour a day as no thinking time. Only do tasks that require physical movement, walking, cleaning, or running an errand. Overthinking is not a diagnosis. It is a habit of choosing not to act. The only way to gain real clarity is by turning your worries into action. Your brain was not designed to think. It was designed to solve. So next time your mind starts screaming, remember, a delayed decision is a bad decision. So stop thinking, start moving. Now.